This is one of the most interesting equations from a lot of indices. So let us have a look at it. Solve the equation 6 raised to the power 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3x times 2 raised to the power x plus 8. So what we're going to do, for us to apply the laws of indices, either the powers must be the same or the bases must be the same. So in this case, it is easier to unify the bases so that they're the same. So we can actually write 6 in terms of 3 and 2, so that we have 3 times 2 raised to the power 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3x times 2 raised to the power x plus 8. So we can open up this bracket so that we have 3 raised to the power 2x plus 4, because the power is common, times 2 raised to the power 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3x times 2 raised to the power x plus 8. So we now want to deal with common bases. There's 3 here and there's 3 on the other side. Same applies to 2. So you can bring the 3's on one side and then the 2's on the other side. So we can start by taking 3's. So we have 3 raised to the power 2x plus 4. And you can divide both sides by 3 raised to the power 3x. Then you take 2's the other side. So here you have 2 raised to the power x plus 8. And that is over this one here. That is 2 raised to the power 2x plus 4. So now we have common bases. And according to the second law of logarithms, when there's a division between common bases, you just get a difference of the powers. So we want to have on the left-hand side 3 raised to the power 2x plus 4 minus this other power, that is 3x. And then on the right, you're going to have 2 raised to the power x plus 8 minus the power in the numerator, that is 2x plus 4. So let us simplify the powers so that we have 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3x, that is just minus x. So we have 4 minus x is equal to, on the right-hand side, we have 2 raised to the power x minus 2x. And then we have 8 minus 4. So that is also 4 minus x. So now we can either unify the bases or unify the powers. But in this case, the powers are already the same. So we can take them to one side by dividing both sides by 2 to the power 4 minus x. We do that this side too. So on this side, this here 1, this here 1. So it means on the right-hand side, we have 1. But on the left-hand side, because the powers are the same, we can combine the bases. So we have 3 over 2 raised to the power 4 minus x. So now remember, according to the laws of indices, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So any sort of number that you have raised to the power 0, it is 1. So you can as well write 1 as some number raised to the power 0. So we have 3 over 2, which is raised to power 4 minus x. And because we are trying to achieve either a common base or a common power, we can write 1 as 3 over 2 raised to the power 0, which according to this law is still 1. So now the bases are the same, the powers must be the same. So it means the powers, that is 4 minus x, is equal to 0, which leads us to x being 4. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe.